There are people I know.
People I know.
There are people that I know.
People that I know.
I know.
I
People
know.
that I talk to.
I talk to.
That have tried, that have gone to high offices to speak against me. Ever since. Every opportunity they get.
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't care whether you say that I'm sowing division or promoting strife in the body of Christ, but I believe kuti the truth must always be told. And nebhaibheri zvamunonzwa muri padonyangara muri pamba muri mukati mumba, go and shout it on top, kwira pachitsuwo chemba, uzvipupure uzvibuditse. And that is my role as the #1 gospel blogger, gospel journalist in Zimbabwe. Today I'm back again with a video by Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, and he reveals the secret as to why he has been able to soar above my critics avo vachitaura zvavanotaura about him. As you know, this is one of the most fought men of God in Zimbabwe. Though one of the most fought men of God in Zimbabwe, particularly he is fought by Apostle T.F. Chiwenga, says bad things about him, and even ask my members, and up to now, it's a mystery kuti nei vanhu vachiramba vachipinda kwaProphet Makandiwa, even vachiratidzwa unenge uchinzi ndo upenzi hwaProphet Makandiwa. Why? And he's going to reveal that in this video. But I want you to understand the greater plot. This is not only about Apostle T.F. Chiwenga. Kana pachitaurwa about my haters aProphet Makandiwa, Apostle T.F. Chiwenga vatori pa lower level, vatongori munhu yaya wekunzi anenge anzi anoheta, but vane mahaters chaivo, my fellow prophets, my fellow men of God, who don't come out publicly and speak bad about him, but snake under grass. And I believe these are the people that Prophet Makandiwa is actually addressing in this video. In this video, is not addressing Apostle T.F. Chiwenga, although Apostle T.F. Chiwenga wanted to catch my strays, but my fellow prophets, my fellow men of God, who actually find opportunities, who actually avaregere mukana uchienda wekuti vadiscredite or vashore Prophet Makandiwa to the people that really matter. So how has Prophet Makandiwa managed to thrive amongst all this criticism, backstabbing? And ndofunga maprofeti mazhinji maprofeti memtovaziva kuti Prophet ninga vafarire Prophet Makandiwa, Prophet ninga andai, Prophet ninga vakadai, memtovaziva vanyebezera take babes guys. Yeah. So I'm going to play the video just now. If you have got any fencing need, kana uine chip zvacho chinoda mafence, kana uda kusora mafence, contact Light on Fencing Fix and Supply on the numbers that are showing on the screen. Page about the old one, it was hacked. Ndopata aiwana ma testimony emabasa avanoita ndoda ndangokuratidzai izvezvi. Light on Fencing Fix and Supply. This is their old page which was hacked. But murikuona mabasa vaitoita apa vaitoita fence kuruwa, ma Clearview fence nema Diamond Mesh fence. Apa itori mwe fence yavaitoita kuhwedza. Apa ninga vaita ma window frame amenoti vayaita kuba. And a whole lot of ndondon, but they now have a new page. Mina ndikuratidze vane this new page ndoro vari kushowa ma updates avo, as you can see. So about on the numbers that are showing on the screen, these guys, I've been with them for quite a time now. I think the inductions are gore, and I've never received a complaint. These are the best names of Vanoenda Vabate, and you will be good to go. Don't forget kutamba tuma virtual games twana kandege twakasiyana siyana twakona kutamba pa Spin City naso nokona to swera wato winner kana wani license reku fly kandege unoona swera toita mari dzako. So use promo code rangu ruri kubuda ratakaisa mu comment section, ukangobvunzwa promo code ndiyani unongondiziko, and then obva watanga kutamba. Unoona uswera waita mari kana mudzimu yako yakasimba, kana uswera wadyiwa kana mudzimu yako isina kusimba, but give it a try. Chembere kwa chivi yakakanga mabwe ikaseva muto.
Keep One day he told me something about silencing the voice of the accuser, and he was giving me serious information. He said, do you know how I silence the voice of the accuser? I do it in different forms. Different forms, not one form. When God silences the voice of your accuser, when God silences, he may silence your accuser by literally silencing him so that he doesn't speak. If they want to give a false report about you, even to authorities, they'll get into that meeting and they forget. These are methods through which God can silence. And he told me the other method that I use. First method, I can silence the adversary by making sure that he doesn't speak. Number two, if he is too talkative, I don't silence his voice by silencing his voice. I close the ears of the hearers.
If he's too talkative, I close the ears of the listener. Yay.
So he told me, God told me, he said, your accusers, whatever they say, the people that are meant for you, that I've called you to minister to, they will not hear them.
That explains why.
So they will keep on speaking. They will keep on talking. And they'll still wonder, why is it these people cannot hear? That's how God silences the voice of your accuser.
I think my man's kuti pabe pamechitone kwamakandiwa aswanopenga vakaroiwa vana kwamakandiwa hausikona here kuti vari kubirwa mari vana kwamakandiwa hausikona here kuti makandiwa ari kuparidza nhema pabe pamune muchidaro ino vana kwamakandiwa vachiramba vachienda ndo panonzi God silences the voice, or he makes sure kuti kana uchiramba uchitaura uchiramba uchingotaura about him, those whom God has given to him, they will not hear you. Havambokuteerera.
There are people I know. There are people that I know.
People that I know.
I know. People that I talk to.
People that I talk to.
That I've tried, that have gone to high offices to speak against me. Ever since. Every opportunity they get.
And there are people that I know, people that I talk to, people that I know, people that I talk to. We have gone to high offices. There are people I
know.
People I know.
There are people that I know.
People that I know.
I know. People that I talk to.
I talk to.
That I've tried, that have gone to high offices to speak against me. Ever since. Every opportunity they get. We serve a God who specializes in silencing the voice. It doesn't make sense to me finding an opportunity with a person in power and you see that as an opportunity to discuss, to discredit another person.
So I think, ladies and gentlemen, you now get it. The writing is clear on the wall. This is not Apostle T.F. Chwenga being addressed. Of course, subliminally, but this is about people whom he knows. And they don't believe almost the same level now. You get it. I was same level, but I same level now. And these people, ever since kuVakuru, if they get reception with those who are in the high offices, what they do is they start speaking about Prophet Makandiwa, and they do that in bad light, in bad faith. They do that. People that he knows, people that he talks to. I think you know these people, man, huh? You know them, a snake under grass. You know them. But strategy yavanzi Mwari anita vari kuudza vasazvinzwi. I don't want to say much because baba rufana unzwa message yatoinzwa. Kana iwe usina kutoinzwa yatoti, which means you're not the recipient for that message.